In this video, we will be showing how you, the user of Powered Access, can make many of the checks necessary to ensure that the machine is safe to use at the beginning of the day. Firstly, you should familiarise yourself with the machine you are using. We have a range of award-winning familiarisation videos that are available on YouTube, but you can also view the video for your specific machine by scanning the QR code near the ground controls. These videos are an aid rather than a replacement for training. This portal is an easy way to off-hire, report a breakdown, view the machine's latest Lola certificate, and much more. Before operating the machine, however, you should follow the checklist in your machine's operating manual. This should be near the controls in the secure box, as these will be directly to hand. It may look something like this. While the specifics, or indeed the order of your checklist, may vary slightly, they will cover these things. Documentation. This includes your machine's most recent Lola certificate. Do not operate your machine if it does not have an associated Lola certificate. Wheels or tyres. Checking that the wheels are secure and in good condition is necessary to ensure the safe operation of the machine. Engine or power source. You should ensure that you have sufficient power or fuel and that it is in good running order. Hydraulics, hoses and cables. Ensure hydraulic systems are at the correct levels and free of leaks. Ensure hoses are free of kinks and excessive wear or tear and damage. Checking hydraulic components are in good working order is paramount to ensuring your safety. Check cables are free from damage and have no exposed wiring. Outriggers and Stabilisers. Outriggers and Stabilisers are a critical component in keeping you safely working at height and can become worn or damaged. Chassis, boom or scissor pack. Checking that your chassis, boom or scissor pack are in good condition helps ensure the machine is safe to operate. Platform or cage. You should check the platform or cage for any damage or wear. Decals and signage. It is important to check that these are legible as they convey vital information to the operator. All function checks. Carry out a full function check and check the machine's safety systems according to the manufacturer's manuals and IPAF's recommendations. If you find any of the faults, you should isolate the machine, tag it, and report it to your supervisor.